Okay, so on this one, we want to factor. There's two terms, and it's multiply. Remember, that's what we write for two terms, right? No, for three terms, it's normally multiply, add, multiply, but the middle's missing here. Now, so this means I'm going to do two parentheses, and I'm going to say, okay, start with the front. The order matters here, by the way. The order matters. Why? Because they're subtracted. You guys know the order of subtraction matters, huh? Think about 7 minus 1. That's not the same as 1 minus 7. This is 6. This is minus 6, huh? But you know when you subtract two things that the order is important, isn't it? What about if you add two things? 1 plus 7 and 7 plus 1. That doesn't matter at all. That's 8 either way. Who cares? Right? Order of adding. If there was a plus in between these, I would say, who cares? Don't even think about it. Just put the x squared in the front. You know, I wouldn't even worry about it. But there's not. There's a minus. So I cannot move that x squared to the front. He is not in the front, and he must not be in the front. He must be in the back. The order of subtraction matters. You know that, huh? I'm not telling you something that's news to you. You know that. So you've got to keep the order the same. All right. So what does that mean? What multiplies to be 36? 6 times 6. And those have to be in the front because the 36 has to stay in the front. That's the main mistake people make here is they think they can switch the order around. But if you think about it for a minute, you know better than that. You can't switch the order of subtraction. And then last times last is x squared. Well, that's going to be x times x. And how do you get negative x squared? 1 positive, 1 negative. And that's it. We're done. It's okay to have the x's in the back. In fact, you must on this one because the order of subtraction cannot be changed. There we go.